Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Trump imposes tariffs of up to 100% on imported drones and parts to reduce foreign reliance and expand U.S. defense production. President Donald Trump has imposed tariffs of up to 100% on imported drones and components, citing national security risks from U.S. dependence on foreign supply chains. The White House said the measures are intended to expand domestic drone manufacturing and strengthen the U.S. defense industrial base. A 100% ad valorem tariff will apply to drones considered particularly sensitive for national security purposes. The category includes aircraft with a maximum takeoff weight above 25 kilograms and drones equipped with thermal imaging capabilities. The 100% rate will also cover docking stations for those aircraft and certain critical drone components. Smaller drones without specified sensitive capabilities, along with other components, will face a 25% tariff. Qualifying drones and components from the European Union, Japan, Liechtenstein, South Korea, Switzerland and Taiwan will be subject to a 15% tariff. Qualifying products from the United Kingdom will face a 10% rate. Those rates require substantially all hardware, software and technology to originate in the relevant countries or the United States. The structure gives selected U.S. partners different tariff treatment from other suppliers covered by the proclamation. Most of the tariffs will take effect 21 days after Trump signs the proclamation. Tariffs on components that are not considered particularly sensitive will take effect 180 days after signing. The 180-day timetable will also apply to products and components approved by the Department of War for an exemption from the Federal Communications Commission's covered list within 20 days of signing. The proclamation also authorizes the Commerce Secretary to establish an onshoring program for companies making new investments in U.S. drone and component manufacturing. The White House described drones as a key technology in modern armed conflict and an important capability for current and future U.S. military operations. It said U.S. commercial and military drone systems remain dependent on foreign sources for critical components, creating national security and cybersecurity risks. The administration said domestic drone production needs to expand rapidly to support U.S. national and economic security. It expects the tariff program to support American manufacturing and strengthen defense and defense-adjacent supply chains. The action follows two drone-related executive orders Trump signed in June 2025. Those measures focused on expanding U.S.-manufactured drone production and exports while strengthening protection of American airspace against misuse of unmanned aircraft. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.